The US dollar is in focus once again at the start of another trading week as markets grapple with the fallout from the FOMC meeting last week, where we saw a hawkish pushback against rate cut expectations from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Market pricing has obviously changed regarding the December Federal Reserve meeting, with markets now only pricing in a 60% probability of a 25 basis point rate cut. This down from 90 basis points ahead of the meeting. This is according to LSEG data. Now, beyond that, obviously, the US government shutdown continues, meaning we will not get a lot of US data this week. So with that in mind, obviously, there is some business survey data which is going to be released this week, as well as ADP employment numbers. And lastly, we will get the University of Michigan data on Friday, which could shed some light on how consumers view inflation expectations over the next 12 months. So keep that in mind as well when it comes to the dollar. Now, beyond that, obviously, we do have the data out from, or actually the Bank of England meeting later this week as well, where markets are split on whether we will get a rate cut. Obviously, improving inflation numbers have obviously increased expectations that we could get a potential rate cut. However, the Bank of England may hold back ahead of that end of the month autumn budget expected by the ruling Labour Party in the UK. And that might obviously give the Bank of England more time ahead of the December meeting to make a decision then. So keep that in mind heading into that BOE meeting later in the week. But for now, trade safe and catch you guys soon. Have a good one.